Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening display settings so you can change font size globally. Click Start or press the Windows key, type display settings, and press Enter. Once there, look at Scale and Layout. These values control text size and app scaling. You should note the current percentage so you can revert if needed. If you have multiple monitors, make sure to select the screen you want to change. This first step makes the rest predictable, because scaling adjusts fonts across the system. Next, change the scale or text size to make fonts bigger where it matters. In Scale and Layout, choose 125% or 150% for an immediate, broad increase. These are safe defaults. If you need a custom amount, click Advanced Scaling and enter a number like 110, then apply. Some apps may blur until you sign out or restart, so do that when prompted. Once done, check key apps and the browser to confirm text is readable and UI elements still fit. To finish, fine-tune font clarity and handle problems. Open your browser and increase zoom with Ctrl and plus for immediate legibility versus changing global scale. If text appears fuzzy, run Clear Type Text Tuner from the Start menu to sharpen fonts. If an app looks incorrectly sized, make sure to check its compatibility settings and try disabling display scaling for that program. If things go wrong, revert the scale to the previous value and restart. Then apply gradual changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.